Hi, assalamualaikum guys. So in this video I'll show you guys how to cook fish curry and sambal belacan in less than 3 minutes. Watch until the end. Let's go. First, transfer the clean sliced chilies and belacan into a heat up pan and toast them until it smells good. This is how they look after they're toasted. Looks good, right? I know. And now we're going to transfer them into the mortar and start pounding them with the pestle. Oh, this is the time you can let your stress out. Pound them until your stress are all gone. Next, you cut up a lime into half. Then, you squeeze the lime until the juice come out. Here is the fish curry recipe. And this is the ingredients for fish curry. Okay, first you pour the cooking oil onto the pot and let it heat up. Then you put the fenugreek seeds into the pot. Next, put in tomatoes, onions, garlic, chilies, curry leaves, all of them into the pot and let it sit for a few minutes. Next, put in the curry powder that has been mixed with water into the pot. Then we add a cup of water into the pot as well. And now we can finally put the fish into the pot. And now it's time for us to put in the lovely okra into the pot. Oh, and don't forget to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Finally, we put a cup of coconut milk into the pot. After a good stir, it is all done. The fish curry is done.
Okay, let's get it.
So gimana ni kau dia lucu? Tak nampak. Okay. Ni.
Ke kamera. Ke kamera. Kamera saya. Okay.